Happy Halloween. Yes, it's the last day in October, and it's the very end of the autumn season where the trees are still showing some beauty, but a lot of them, the leaves have fallen. So let's just take a little tour around and I'll show you what I've been up to. Well, it's almost Halloween, and we've got our wood stacked for the winter, and I'm going to be cutting some of that scented geranium and hopefully propagating it during the winter months. Can't can't believe this beautiful petunia basket still thriving. We've had some super cold weather. And then this one is doing really well too. Marigolds and that. But today's chore is cutting away the ivy from the garlic bed. And I had planted some onions that I guess I didn't remove, but you can see how the ivy has encroached on the bed, and so that's the chore for today. But look at, this is also my rose bed, which not really fond of those roses. They never come back. I wouldn't be hurt. But look at this tomato, the tomato plant. Unbelievable. I must have thrown a tomato out that wasn't good and it decided to take root. There's another one over here. Now, of course, being October, it is definitely not going to create any fruit, but that's today's chore. Clean up this garden bed and get my garlic planted. So my friend Kathy is coming over. We're going to work on it together. I'm not sure she's going to be in the video. She wants to help me, and if she doesn't want to be in the video, that's fine. Well, it's all cleared away, and we are prepping it for planting our garlic. So my bed is planted, and basically we need to put some leaf mulch and cover it up for the winter. But I think that we got 22 cloves of garlic in, so hopefully we'll have 22 heads of garlic coming up in June sometime. So yeah, this looks a lot neater. Thank you, Kathy, for your hard work. And here's my lacy maple, and as you can see, some of its beauty is hanging in there, but most of it is gone. Our tulip trees are still creating some beauty, but again, most of it's on the ground. That maple that the birds planted years ago, doing beautiful. This garden definitely needs a cleanup. Harvested all the cabbages. Some of them are still in my refrigerator. Haven't used them. Heading over here. It's almost time for these dahlias to be pulled up. We've had a couple of frosts, but no freeze yet. And the bees have been just enjoying these mums like crazy. They finding lots of food on them, I guess. Busy, busy. Really pretty. I like these. I actually transplanted some of those up on the hill down by the road. Lots of leaves. Apple tree's still hanging in there with lots of leaves, but most of them are spent. And let's take one more look here at the window garden. There's really gorgeous dahlia, but it's seen better days. So pretty though. Definitely gonna pull up that tuber. And these purple ones have been such a treat. Have a cabbage growing, who knows? It may survive. The asters are pretty much done. I have a little bit of a broccoli. I planted these, I want to say in June, but it was pretty hot here, so they didn't do that well. Here's the cauliflower. There is an itty bitty cauliflower in there. And if you can see it. Don't know if we're going to have a freeze and not get to harvest that, but there's always a chance this time of year.